Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So today I'm kind of, not so much a dirty pour. Well, I guess it kind of is. Today is kind of a mystery pour, really. I've got these two cups here with, I don't even recall, these are little bits of leftover paintings. In one there seems to be a lot of black, some red, silver. The other is some green, some pink. So it's a mystery as well as to what additives are in there. I'm sure there's a mix of alcohol, dish soap. Trying to think what I've used in the past little while. I'm sure there's some of that baby oil, some of the olive oil hand cream stuff, some leather waterproofing. So it's a combination of everything. So it's going to be interesting to see just how it turns out. And as well, on top of that, I'm going to be doing a string pull. Well, potentially. I guess it depends on how this looks when I get it on there. Most likely I will. And I'll be doing the string pull a little differently than I have in the past. But we'll get to that momentarily. So I'm just stirring up a little bit. We'll go ahead and pour that on there. We'll see what happens. Yeah, black, silver, some red, pink, blue, green, bunch of different colors. Alright, that should be enough. I'm going to go ahead and torch this. I don't know if I'm going to get any cells or not. As I said, I don't even recall exactly what's in there. But we'll go ahead and torch it nonetheless. Get rid of the air bubbles anyway. Alright, let's get this moving and see what happens. The darker the black side looks like it's kind of homogenized a bit. The colors don't stand out as much. Certainly on the other side they do more so. Of course, some of the colors also had water. I'm sure they all had the PVA glue as well. Hopefully there's no big chunks. Oftentimes with the acrylic paint, as it sits a while, you kind of get some chunks. Or it solidifies a little bit, I guess. I don't pretend to understand all the science behind it, but sometimes it happens. Alright, almost got full coverage here. Alright. Just getting the corners. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm kind of liking how that looks already. Alright, got all the coverage on the corners. Just getting some of the paint off, because I'm going to handle the string here. Yeah, I was going to do one of each, but the lighter side, I like how that looks already. I don't think I'll do anything with that, but I am going to go ahead and try a string pull on the darker side. And I'm using a much shorter string than I might normally use. And normally when I do a string pull, when I'm exiting or pulling the string off the canvas, I try to keep it in a very controlled fashion and try to have as little contact as possible at the bottom, or a smaller contact. But I'm doing something a little different today, as I said. So let's just give this a second. And I'm just kind of swirling it around and see what we get. Not too much, because there's still a lot of that black on there. Okay, well, that's quite alright. I think it gave it maybe just enough color to keep it a little more interesting. Because otherwise, like I said, I'm very happy with how that turned out. You can see along, well, I hope you can see on the camera, along there, you've got sort of that tree ring effect, layered effect. You've got the border there, and then between the blue, well, what turned out to be primarily blue, I suppose, and the black. And the string pull, though wasn't exactly what I was looking for, gave it just enough color, I think, because I like how that looks quite a bit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead. I don't suspect I'll see, well, maybe some more cell formation. Yeah, I see some. But we'll go ahead and give it a half hour, and we'll come back, we'll take a look and see what we got. Alright, so it's been about, well, closer to 40 minutes. That green, which was just water and the green paint, nothing else added, no PVA glue, nothing. It has celled up to the point where some of it's almost disappeared. But it did give a nice little splash of color, and I love how this painting has turned out. Alright, okay, so that's going to do it for me today. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please throw a like my way, it'd be greatly appreciated. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That will be notified whenever the next video comes out. And I will see all you wonderful people next time.